Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you guys some of the famous Candy style backgrounds that I've been using and most people are using. So yeah, let's start with the first one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a solid with any color, it doesn't matter. Then pre-compose it and then double click on it and go to composition and composition setting. You know, the first composition that I was using was 1080 by 1080, but I wanted to be double size in this composition in height or in weight, doesn't matter, it's just up to you that if you want it in horizontal or vertical. So what I'm gonna do is to change this to this. Alright, now we have to make our background here. So yeah, just make another solid. You can use any color that you want, or you can just follow me here. Alright, now the next thing you gotta do is to go to rectangle tool and use the ellipse tool and hold shift on your keyboard to draw a perfect circle, as you can see here. Alright, now make sure to turn this to this option, and now you can change its color. I think this blue is good, and also make the stroke to negative because I don't want any stroke here. And what you gotta do is to duplicate this and again put it on none and change this to white, and I think this amount of a stroke is good, 10. And then I'm just gonna make it go further like this, so it's going to have a 3D look vibe, I guess. And what you gotta do is just duplicate this and also you can change its color if you want to. Like I'm just gonna use pink this part, and I also want it to be smaller, so this is what I'm going to do. Alright, after you did all of this, you can do this part and you can like don't do it. I just do it because I think it's going to look better. So I'm going to add another solid. I'm going to use white and then go to effects and presets. I'm going to search for wipe tiles and then change this triangle and white percent at 95, and you can just increase the frequency in the amount of that you want, like I used 14, and then change it angle to whatever that you want. And yeah, this is how you make your background, but this is not the final product. What I'm going to do is to change its position here, so it kind of move down, or you can make it move up, just whatever that you want. Now make it to go all the way down. Alright, this is the final product that you can use for your intro or something like that. Also, you can be creative and I don't know, make your circles move. I don't know, you can add a bit shake or something like that that makes it look the way that you want. Alright, the second background that I want to teach you guys is the wipe circle background, which I'm just gonna use different colors to start. On this color and then duplicate it and then search for fill in effects, and now you can change its color in any color that you want. I think this is good. Now search for wipe circle and make sure that it's on wipe off to BG, and then we're going to change the wipe percent. Start from 0, press U on your keyboard so it only shows the keyframes that you want to have. Then you can change it. Alright, let me see. Okay, that's good. Now easy sit, and I'm just gonna use a mid graph so it'll look better. Good. Now what you gotta do is to duplicate this layer and then change its color, and just make it to go 1 to 2 FPS further. I think this color doesn't look good, so I'm just gonna change its color. Now what you gotta do is duplicate it again and just follow this thing over and over until you get the thing that you want. But if you wanted to add a little more design, this is what you gotta do. Is that, for example, I want to add a design for this pink area. What you gotta do is duplicate it. I don't know, I'm gonna change it to black, for example, and then search for wipe stripes, and then change it wipe percent to anything that you want. You can also add the frequency. Alright, this looks kinda good, I like it. You know, you just gotta design it the way that you want. For example, for this part, I'm gonna do this transition. I'm gonna show you guys. What you gotta do is to change it to black again, and this time search for wipe clock, and then just let me show you guys. Just follow the setting that I did here. And then change its scale to 105, and now turn this part on, and as you can see, it's going to look like this. Okay, I think it looks good. To be honest, it looks really good. And then just gonna duplicate it again and change the color to, I don't know, pink. And yeah, this is how you design a circle wipe background. Yeah, I hope it helps you guys, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe for more of Candice style tutorials. See you next time.